Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to grow bitter melon effectively using kitchen waste. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Luffa is a fruit that can be used to make many delicious dishes for the family. In addition to its nutritional value, Luffa also helps prevent some intestinal diseases. To germinate seeds effectively, today I will guide you how to germinate seeds quickly and healthily. At the same time, repel insects and pests that harm the sprouts. That is ginger. We slice the ginger, crush it, mix it with water, then put the seeds in the nursery pot. We sprinkle the ginger water evenly and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. Seedling pots suitable for the number of seeds, enough soil to avoid overflow. Seeds choose healthy quality seeds. Will give us healthy green seedlings. I use 3 kitchen trash cans. Use anti-roach tape to keep out dirt and punch holes for them to drain. To keep the plants moist, I use a plastic bottle attached to an absorbent towel, creating an automatic watering system for the plants. To help the plant grow from the start, I use worm castings mixed with the soil for planting. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, worm castings also have high antibacterial properties, make the soil loose, and are environmentally friendly. When pouring soil, remember to place the water bottle on the side of the pot. We should place the absorbent towel on the ground at the same level as the base of the tree. This will help the towel to conduct water to the base of the tree. This time I will make a trellis for the bitter melon plant in the shape of a heart. Thanks to good quality seeds, after 5 days of incubation, the plants have germinated healthily. We can start planting. After planting, we pour water into the container. After 10 days, the bitter melon plant has grown branches and is healthy. At this time, we should promote the plant's growth by fertilizing and caring for it. To allow the plants to absorb nutrients immediately, I use compost in a container and water the plants thoroughly. Help the plant develop good roots, prevent tilting, falling, and climbing well, I will add more soil to the plant. It also helps with better metabolism. Once the plant is high up on the trellis, I will till the soil to help with better metabolism and also remove weeds. At this time, the plant is about to flower, so I will use organic pellet fertilizer for the plant. Additionally, I use 2 milliliters of liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish, mixed with water to water directly at the base of the plant. When the plant flowers, in addition to fertilizing and watering, I also stimulate the plant to flower by pollinating female flowers with male flowers. To help the plant grow healthy and produce fruit, I mix 1 clove of garlic with water and spray it evenly on the plant. The tree is strong enough to grow and produce many large fruits. Now we can enjoy them with delicious dishes every day. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.